Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by taking control of the services that trigger updates. Open Services. MSC as administrator and find Windows Update and related update services. Stop each service now. Once stopped, change the startup type to disabled so they won't restart after a reboot. Make a system restore point before altering settings so you can roll back if something fails. This method works because Windows relies on those services to schedule and apply updates. Disabling them halts that pipeline at the source. Next, you must prevent background triggers and downloads. Open Tasks Scheduler and disable update tasks under Microsoft/Windows/Update Orchestrator and Windows Update. This prevents scheduled check-ins. Then, create outbound firewall rules that block connections to known Windows Update hosts and services so downloads cannot begin. Also, change NTFS permissions on C/Windows/Software Distribution and C/Windows/ finish by rebooting and verifying every change persisted. Services stay disabled, scheduled tasks remain off, and firewall rules are active. If Windows still attempts updates, inspect Local Group Policy, gpedit. MSC, for policies under Computer Configuration, /Administrative Templates /Windows Components /Windows Update, and review registry keys at HKLM/Software /Policies /Microsoft /Windows Update. Remove any conflicting policies. If something breaks, use the system restore point you created to return to the prior state, then adjust steps more conservatively. One troubleshooting tip: always check Event Viewer for update-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.